Together. Okay, let's try this one together. The mathematician formula for cubic equation. The graph pass through some point. Okay, if pass through a point 4 and 40 here, just do substitution. 40 is y value, 4 is x value, 4 r. So what do we have? 40, 64, 48p plus r. So we need a p. 48p equals 24 plus r. P equals 24 plus r over 48. That's the idea about find the p in terms of r. Okay. Edward, okay?
Yep.
At point B, okay, they told you this equation, so we just solve for x. X squared equals 4p. X equals plus minus 2 root p. Oh, from the graph, we know it's negative. Therefore, at B, p half. Root p same as p to the power of half or p to the power of 0.5. Okay? This part okay?
I think you have to add b.
Oh, doesn't matter. You just need to show x equals this. But when we solve x squared, you have plus minus. You need to reject the positive one. Just leave the negative one.
Yeah, I didn't reject the positive.
Okay. Yeah. That one, next one. Oh. Okay. Well, this question asks you, consider again the curve, same thing. At P and they gave you the value and the P of R changing. The shape of curve changes and the length of the orange lines changes. However, by symmetry, the two orange lines remains same length as each other. For some combination of PR, the curve intersect 3 times. If the orange line is longer than the blue line, find the condition. P and R must satisfy. For the graph have 3 distinct intersect. First, you need to find the blue line. The blue line. The blue line. For the blue line, it's called the y-intercept. If x equals 0, y equals r. So this p is just r. Okay. And we need to calculate the orange line. orange line. But if you need to calculate the orange line, you need to find the y value of b here. For point B, we got x equals -2 p 0.5, which is from previous part, or even in the diagrams given. For y value, y equals x cubed, 12px plus r. So y value will be -2 p 0.5 to the power of 3, 12p, -2 p 0.5 plus r. That will be y value. Okay, so y value simplify, -8 p 1.5 plus 24 p 1.5. Y equals 16 p 1.5 plus r. The orange line equals 16 p 1.5. Guys, check if your blue line is just r, orange line just this. Double check if you understand. The y value minus r give you the orange line. Okay. Y value just bigger than r, I mean the orange line is bigger than r. But from previous part, what's r we have? From the previous part, let's check. From previous part, what's the previous part? Write answer in the form where the exponent, just this, but we need to rewrite it as 256 p3 bigger than r squared. Okay. Okay, why we need to change to this? In the question, they told you the exponent are positive integer. Okay, exponent are positive integer. Okay, that's this question. I just post to WeChat group. Okay, orange line, blue line just r. Orange line is 16 p to the power 1.5. Okay, next one. This question. You got two parabolas. 1, 2. You two distinct points. Two distinct points. It's like a parabola, two distinct points. Still just about simultaneous equation. Okay? Two distinct points. Of course, if they say parabola, A not 0, D not 0. Now simplify. A minus D, x squared plus B minus E, x equals 0. Oh. We know one answer already, just x equals 0. So x could be 0, x could be minus B minus E over A minus D. To make this one valid solution, you need a first condition, A not D. Two, B not E. Okay, if B equals E, this one also 0, both 0, not distinct, not distinct. So the condition just here, A not D, B not E. Okay, they ask you the restrictions. One, AD different. Two, BE different. Of course, you can write A not 0, D not 0, otherwise not parabola. They are not parabola. Parabola. Okay. Okay. D cannot be same as A because divide, denominator. B cannot be E. If B equals E, this 2x value equal. Okay. Okay. That's this one. Next one. Yeah. Yes. People hate this exam. Oh, even the school teacher confused about those questions. So you guys don't worry about too much. Even school teachers confused. Here, this one. Okay. That's just the 3E questions. Don't worry about too much. I think the NCEA will lower the boundary for E probably. Because even school teachers feel confused about the questions. Okay. check this question out. If you know the meaning. This question, they gave you price and they gave you sold. If all the patterns continue, is there any day which the turnover is exactly this? Turnover just times together. Equals 445. If we can solve it. Okay. Expand it. 202D. 15D. 505. 445. -6D square plus -15. 187D plus 60. Do you have here?
我好是写了这个equation 啊，可是我把 day 4放进去的时候
Yeah. Day 4. It's not day 4. You need to solve for D from your calculator. Calculator, solve D. Can you solve for D? If we cannot solve for D, it's not possible. What's D? Solve for D. 187. 16. Yeah. If you solve, you use formula or any way or calculator. B squared minus 4AC over 2A. You can just use your calculator. What's the D value from your calculator? You got the equation, manual equation. Your calculator got the equation, manual equation quadratics. Don't worry, school teacher asked me this question. Okay, so student, of course, confused.
Sam, I have a question.
Yeah.
Is C1, like, would C1 be an excellence question or would it be a merit question? Like, what was it worth?
C1. C1 probably merit.
Oh.
What's your answer for C1?
Yeah, I got the like what D is, but I said that since like there's like it's not tidy numbers, it's not.
Okay,
like,
yeah.
it's no day.
If you use calculator solver, you got decimals, right?
Yeah.
Solver, you got decimals, so not possible. Because they ask you D must be whole number. Yes. Solve it. -6. 187. 16. Oh my. 31.48. D equals 31.48 or negative something. Okay. D means day. So no solution. Not whole number. No solution. If you have some idea about no solution, you got correct. No solution. Therefore, no days, any day, no day has turnover equals $445. Not every whole number will be the turnover. Okay, so let's check. 2D plus 5, 101 times 3D equals K. Okay, equals K. You do the similar way, negative 6D squared plus 187D 505 minus K equals 0. Okay, you need 3 conditions. Holy. 6D squared plus 170 minus plus K minus 505 equals 0. Okay. We need the conditions, First, we got so many conditions actually, we got so many conditions. First condition, K need to satisfy this one. B squared minus 4AC bigger than or equal to 0, which means 187 squared minus 4AC bigger than or equal to 0. You can find the condition for K. The second one, okay, the second one. Actually, this one okay? This condition.
I got that condition.
Okay.
But I only put that one.
Okay. Do you know other conditions? The second condition. This B squared minus 4AC must be a square number. Or we can say here, this one must be rational. You can square root it. You can square root it. You can square root it. The third one. We solved the first one. We solved the first one. Let's solve the first one. The first one. The first one should be K less than something. 187 squared minus 24, or plus 24 times 505 divided by 24. K less than equal to 1962. 1962. Okay. Well, this one you need to square root it, which means this one something minus 24k inside, it's a square number. It's a square number, which means this one is a square number. Because you can square root it, otherwise no whole number solution. Inside here is this 187 square plus 24 times 505. It's a 47089. This one is a square number. Let's double check if it's a square number. For example, this one 47089 minus 24 times 680. Check if it's a square number. Oh yeah, it is a square number. It is a square number. If we just double check one possible like a turnover. Or if you check one more. 1411. 1411 just here. Square root. Yes, this is 115 square. It's a square number. Okay. So we can just say this is the second condition. Second condition. These two are the same. The third condition. Check. D, all whole number. D divisible this part. D can divide this part, which means D can divide this part. The third condition. K minus 505. All 505 minus K are multiple of D. A multiple of D. A multiple of D are divisible. Yeah, because all whole number. This part the multiple of D, this part multiple of D. Of course, this part multiple of D. Or you can say this is divisible by D. You can check, for example, if K equals 1411. 1411 minus 505. The answer is 906. Is this a multiple of 6? Yes, it is a multiple of 6. Divisible by 6. Okay, that's how we solve this question. Of course, you can have other conditions. You can have other conditions. Okay. For example, other condition like other condition like we actually know all the possible values already. We actually know all the possible values already. We can check. For example, this D here. This D, of course, need to satisfy this condition. The number of zips. Of course, this is bigger than 0. So D already need less than 101 over 3. So you don't have that much. D just up to 30. Oh, what's D? D is the date. Okay, so D already less than 33. D so just up to 33. So you know all the values of turnover. If not in these 33 values, all others doesn't work. So actually, you only have 33 possible turnover values. We can list all of them. Check here. Let's use some spreadsheet. Or the calculator, you have table. Here. Yeah, we just work out all the possible values. Those like the only possible values for turnover. D, just stay. D, just stay. You can start from 1 to 3 up to, okay? Here. And the turnover equals 2D, okay? Equals 2 times D plus 5 times 101 minus 3D. Ayo, what? Oh, minus 3 times D here. So you can check. That's like all the possible values of turnover. There are only 33 possible values. Oh, yeah, just up to here. So K actually got more strict. Only those values can give you satisfy the equation. Only 30. Actually, there are only 33 possible values in this question. Satisfy the condition. Only 3 possible values of turnover. NCEA question sometimes designed like the school teacher asked me this question. So if a school teacher cannot do it, how they expect the students to do it? Okay. Oh, let's check more harder indices. Okay,